Hi friends, welcome to Plantify. Today we will talk about a very easy to care plant that is Vinca or periwinkle, and in Hindi we call it Sadabahar and in Bengali Nayantara. Native variety of it comes in only two colors, light purple and white, but you will get plenty of colors options in hybrid variety. However, the native ones are more hardy than the hybrid ones. Growing season is summer and monsoon in India for vincas. You may sow them during springtime, that is March April time frame, and they will bloom till September October depending on the weather condition of your area. Sometimes you will find tiny saplings of vincas in your pots. They grow by themselves from seeds from last year. See, all the saplings grew by themselves. Now you may separate them out and pot them in separate pots. I will do the same. For potting soil, you can use normal garden soil mixed with a handful of compost. But if your soil is too clayey, then you can add little sand with it. I grew some of my vincas from such saplings, and also I bought some from local nurseries. Local nurseries generally sell hybrid variety of vincas and they comes in really pretty colors. See how I transplanted these tiny seedlings in one of my existing pots. Now I will water it and keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, and then they will be ready for full sun. And you may grow it in water as well. Take some healthy branches and put them in water. Mature branches will produce root and they will keep on flowering. You may keep them in water for months. Just change the water weekly. See, my cuttings developed roots and I kept these cuttings in my kitchen windowsill for 3-4 months. To get plenty of flowers in your vinca plant, keep them in a sunny spot. I kept all my vincas along the edge of my balcony where they get 5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight. Vincas need regular watering. The best part is they will let you know when they need water. If you see their leaves got curled up like this, then don't panic, they just need water. Water them thoroughly and within couple of hours you will see they are just fine. But be careful during monsoon. Protect them from heavy rain and waterlogging. I generally move them inside during a long spell of heavy shower. And during monsoon, spray fungicide on them to protect them from fungus infection. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up. And for more planty videos, subscribe to Plantify.